tough to beat a fire pit for fall projects. And it's also tough to beat placing an order online, showing up at the pickup desk, loading your vehicle, and heading home to get busy with your project. The links for this and my Lowe's storefront will be in the description. I will receive a small commission for any purchases made. I want to show you just how easy it is just to put the ring portion of this project together. I don't think you can put this together incorrectly. This cobalt wheelbarrow converts to a nice little job site assembly table when you're in a pinch. Then I'm just going to work my way around so I don't have to bend over. This takes about 15 minutes to put together working casually. There's 24 nuts and screw bolts. I just use my DeWalt drill driver. That's your easy assembly of your fire ring. I started with this fire ring because it's going to help me prep my side area and level everything up. Be sure to press the alert notification and subscribe if you like DIY